Hello everyone, John here. For experiment 2, the main objective was to complete the Simulink on-ramp and Simscape on-ramp courses from MATLAB and to obtain learning certificates, which I'll show later. And this course introduces the fundamentals of modeling and simulating systems using graphical tools instead of traditional coding. Now for the Simulink on-ramp, I learned how to build simulation models using block diagrams instead of writing equations directly. Simulink allows us to represent systems using blocks such as sources, gains, integrators, and scopes. So by connecting these blocks, we can simulate how a system behave over time. I'll show more of that later. And now I'll give you a project example, which is the Falcon die. Is a video. That's the from the. I'm just gonna skip through all this so we can get the is the loader formula, hydroid formula, but not the final one. The if else block. Now when you get now in the graph we have the change of height, there'll be a change in velocity of the falcon. Usually if it goes down it gets to the steady state velocity. Then for my certificate it's here. Okay. Next is the SimCamp on-ramp. In the SimCamp on-ramp, the focus was on modeling the real physics system, such as electrical and mechanical system, also fluid. SimScape provides components that represent real-world elements like resistors, capacitors, and mechanical parts. By completing this, then I'll show you an example project, which is the electronic part. I'm just gonna open it here. And which is here is the part where this is the fluid, mechanical, and electrical part. And I'm gonna skip through this since I don't have that much time.
This
The certificate will be is in here. There you go. Then the one of the challenges I encounter is understanding how the signals flow and understand the problems that it is. And as a note to self, I realized that these tools are really helpful in the engineering field and to help us in our thesis project. And overall, this experiment was helped me understand how simulation tools are used in control engineering and system design, and strengthen my skills in modeling systems.